Folks, today I'm going to tell you about the buffer toolbox. If you have a certain points in a point shape file or a feature on another shape file, which and you want to create a shape file or a polygon around these features, like I have these points in a point shape file, and I want to create a polygon around these points on a specified distance, a specified radius. So I'm going to use a buffer toolbox. Let's see how to use it. Just go to the arc toolbox and click on the analysis tools, proximity and buffer. Here's the tool we are going to use today. In input features, you are going to choose the shapefile you want to create a feature around. You can change the output path from here, and you can give the distance or a radius from distance or radius by which you want to create a shapefile or a polygon. And I'm going to give a 30 kilometers. You can choose different units from here. I'm going to choose kilometers here. And there's an important feature here, the dissolve type. If you choose a dissolve type none, then all the features of the shapefiles or polygons which are going to create are going to be separate or individual polygons. Like it have a individual polygon, it have another polygon, it have another polygon. All the polygons will be individual. But if you select the dissolve type all, then the shapefile or polygons created around these features will be merged together. Like it have polygon, all have polygon, and all will be merged like a one shapefile or a one polygon. I'm going to show you like from an example. I'm going to select none first and click OK. Just wait for the output file, and as you can see, these all points have a separate polygons. Now I'm going to show example of a all. Select a point, output path, not going to change the distance, the same 30 kilometers, sorry, 30 kilometers. And in dissolve time I'm going to select the all. As you can see, I don't have to tell you the difference, but these all are individual polygons which are created around these points, and these all polygons are merged together. So that's how you use the buffer toolbox. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.